Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Steam Deck OLED by Valve. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, I'm host's name, and today we're taking a closer look at the Steam Deck OLED. Valve has taken the handheld gaming world by storm with this latest iteration, boasting a bigger, brighter OLED screen, enhanced performance, and a host of quality-of-life improvements.
But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First up, let's talk design and comfort.
The Steam Deck OLED may look similar to its predecessor, but there are subtle changes that make a big difference. With a 5% reduction in weight and a slightly tweaked form factor, this handheld feels even more comfortable in the hands. Valve has also made improvements to the thumbsticks and trackpads, enhancing grip and precision. Physically, the Steam Deck OLED retains the familiar button layout, including A, B, X, Y buttons, dual trackpads, and programmable paddles. The standout feature here is the gorgeous 7.4-inch OLED display, which offers vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and a smoother 90 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're playing Cyberpunk 2077 or diving into Borderlands 3, the visuals truly pop on this screen.
Now, let's talk performance.
Powered by a 6nm Zen 2 APU, the Steam Deck OLED delivers solid gaming performance comparable to its predecessor. While it may not outperform high-end gaming laptops, it handles a wide range of titles with ease.
Plus, with up to 1 TB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for your game library.
Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in intense firefights, the Steam Deck OLED keeps up admirably.
And thanks to improvements in battery life and charging speed, you can enjoy extended gaming sessions without constantly worrying about running out of juice. In terms of audio and heat management, Valve has made notable improvements. The speakers are louder and offer better bass, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Plus, the redesigned cooling system keeps temperatures in check, ensuring that the device remains comfortable to hold even during extended play sessions. Last but not least, let's talk about the software experience.
The Steam Deck OLED runs on Steam OS, providing a seamless gaming experience optimized for handheld play.
With frequent updates and enhancements, Valve continues to refine the user interface, making it intuitive and user-friendly.
So, is the Steam Deck OLED worth it?
Absolutely.
With its stunning OLED display, improved performance, and thoughtful design, it's a solid choice for gamers looking for a portable gaming solution. While it may not revolutionize the handheld gaming market, it's a significant step forward for Valve and a worthy upgrade for existing Steam Deck owners. That's it for today's review of the Steam Deck OLED. Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy gaming!